Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, see, you would have already heard about the Right to Repair program by Apple. Well, from the next year, Apple is going to be selling kits which will help you to repair either your iPhone 12 or your iPhone 13. Well, as if for now, they have just officially said that they will provide this particular kit for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 13 lineup. So you can pretty much expect this particular kit for the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 13 and the Pro and the Pro Max. But right now they have not given any confirmation. So from the initial part of next year, they are going to be selling kits in which you will get all of the parts. For example, if your display breaks, then you have to buy the display repair kit in which you will get the basic tools, the replacement part and overall the entire instructions to do so. I'm such a kind of person who prefers to repair my own products from my own hand because I am having absolutely terrible experience with my nearest Apple store. Well guys, if you're living in India and if you have any problem with your iPhone or MacBook, then the service experience is not at all promising. In majority amount of cases, they even forget to put the water adhesive sticker on the entire iPhone. So that's the main reason. So from the past 6 years, I'm repairing my own iPhones because there are very few selected stores in which you're getting Apple authorized repair. Most of them are the authorized retailers. But guys, trust me, if you're having any iPhone or any Apple product in India, and if you want to have the best repair experience, then it is currently not possible.
One thing, that I am a little skeptical about this in general is specifically my personal experiences with the Apple store near my house have not been great. So I get scared to trust them with my product. It had to be like, it had a long story. I had warranty and then had to call people up from America to get my work repaired, which is an issue probably in one of the stores here, but not very confident about that. So I feel like that is something that I don't like. I've also heard about this repairing. So I think the ability to repair should be made more easily available, or at least if there's surety that you can give your product to the store and they will not do anything or they will not misuse your trust. I think that is a little bit which is missing in this particular part.
So in short, the overall service experience of Apple here in India is not at all promising. And that's the main reason. Well guys, see, if Apple will provide like this kind of kit, it will definitely not be cheap, but it will give you the ability to repair your own iPhone. And guys, trust me, I'm not at all comfortable in giving my personal iPhone to the nearest repair shop because I know 100% I'm having so many friends and relatives who have actually repaired their product from the Apple authorized repair center and still they are facing several issues. So the simple sentence is, the Apple's repairing in India is absolutely terrible. And if Apple is coming up with like this alternative, it is actually much better. But the main question is regarding the overall price tag, because if Apple is going to be having a repair kit which will include a screwdriver set, which will include the replacement part and the overall instructions, that means if you have to replace the battery of your iPhone, then you have to buy the battery kit. If you have to replace the display, then you have to buy the display kit. If you want to replace the camera, then you have to buy the camera kit. So all of these three different things are going to be separate, and that too for individual models. So that's my main concern. If the end user cost for this exact repair is going to be identical to that of the current price tag, then what's the point? And that too in a region like India, because here in India the per month income of a normal person is way less compared to that in Western nation. So that's the main problem. If Apple wants to come with like this solution, they're most welcome. But from my opinion, this particular kit will definitely sell well in the Western market, but in a region like India, it will struggle a lot. But if you're having your own repair shop here in India, then this is the best opportunity for you. So that's it for this particular video, and let me know in the comment section what you feel about like this kind of move. Personally, I'm very happy for that because first of all, they are actually reducing the e-waste. Second of all, they are actually providing normal consumers the opportunity to repair their own products. In India, like this kind of efforts will actually lead to a better service of Apple. So let's hope for the best and let's see how this service actually ends up being. Only time will tell us, but as if for now, let us hope for the best and I will meet you with amazing videos. Until then, peace.